Good morning, children. Today is Tuesday. Today is 29 September 2020. Story of the week. The fly that forgot its name. The name of the story is The Fly That Forgot Its Name. Children, come on, let's read the story. Once upon a time, there was a fly. One day, he forgot his name. What is my name? It flew around asking everyone. Fly asked the old lady. She said, "Ask my son." Fly asked old lady's son. He said, "Ask my axe." Fly asked the axe. Axe said, "Ask the tree." Fly asked the tree. Tree said, "Ask the birds." Fly asked birds. They said, "Ask the lake." Fly asked the lake. Lake said, "Ask the fish." Fly asked the fish. Fish said, "Ask the boy." Fly asked the boy. Boy said, "Ask my horse." Fly asked the horse. Horse said, "Ask my baby horse." Baby horse fumbled. F. Oh, you said it. My name is Fly. So children, this is the story. Actually, it's very lengthy. So what you can do is remember who the fly asked first. Okay, it was the old lady. Then he went to her son. Then after that he went to the axe. After axe he went to the tree. Then after tree he went to the birds. Okay, birds that were sitting on the tree. And next he went to the lake in which birds were drinking water. And next he went to the fish which are in the lake. And next he went to the boy. After that the boy said, "You can ask my horse." Then finally the horse said, "You can ask my baby horse." Okay, so the baby horse was just fumbling. Okay, it was not exactly telling the name, but it was telling just f. Then suddenly the fly recalled its name. Okay, so this is how the story goes. If you practice it, surely you can learn. Okay, children? Children, now take your literacy skills book number 1. Literacy skills book number 1. Open page number 72. Page number 72. Children, today we will look at the picture. Okay, we will identify the picture and we will write in the blank. Okay, now see, first one is done. What is this called? Bib. Repeat after me. Bib. Okay, now read the sentence. This is a bib. Okay, now the next one we will do. What is this? Fan. Very good. Now let us write. This is a fan. Fan. Next, this is bed. Okay, now this is a bed. Bed. Okay, now what is this? This is a tub. Now write tub. Okay, tub. Now the next one. This is a van. Okay, now this is a van. Van. Now children, tell me, what is this? Net. Okay, we use this net for fishing. Yes, so now let us write the word. This is a net. 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 Okay, so like this you have to identify the picture and then you have to write in the blank, and you should also read the sentence. Okay, now next page. Okay, we'll do page number 73 also the same way. Come on children, now tell me, what is this? Pot. This is a pot. Pot. Next one. What is this? Car. Very good. Now come on, read the sentence. This is a car. Car. Now, what is this? Bat. Now read the sentence. This is a bat. Bat. Now next one. What is this? Bun. Now read. This is a bun. Bun. Now next one. What is this? Jug. Very good. Now read the sentence. This is a jug. Jug. Now the next one. What is this? Mug. It's not cup. Okay, this is mug. Now come on, read the sentence. This is a mug. Mug. Now next one. What is this? Ball. Very good. Now come on, let us write. This is a ball. Two L's. Okay children, you have to note it. 2 L's. Ball. Now the next one. What is this? Hen. Very good. Now read the sentence. This is a hen. H-E-N. Hen. Okay children. So here we are writing this because all these objects are near. Okay, so first what you should do, you have to identify the picture, read the sentence and write the word. Okay, okay children, please practice these 2 pages. Children, next take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Numeracy skills book, book number 3. Open page number 76. 76. Page number 76. Children, today you will count and color square. Okay, yesterday you did triangle, right? So today you will be identifying square shape. You will count the square shapes and then you will color them. Okay, now let us start doing it. Okay, here 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7. Children, don't get confused. This is also a different kind of square. Okay, you can check all the sides are equal. The 4 sides are equal. Okay, so now next 7 finish. Next. Yes, here 8. Okay, now check 8. Here 9. Now the next one 10. How many squares? 10 squares. Very good. Now come on, let us write the number 1, 0, 10. Now counting part finish. Now what is the next thing you have to do? Coloring. Come on, let us do coloring. Children, can you see here? I finished coloring. Okay, you should also do it very neatly. Now next page, page number 77. Okay, now here a square has 4 sides. Come on, repeat after me. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay children, now let us revise quickly. Triangle, 3 sides and 3 corners, and square, 4 sides, 4 corners. Okay, now here you have to draw a square and color it. Come on, let us do. See, it's very easy with patterns. Okay, standing line, yes, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. I did it. You have to note all the 4 sides should be same. Okay, 4 sides of same size. Okay children, so you will color it. Okay, so come on, color the square. Coloring. I'm enjoying. You're also enjoying it. Yes. Be careful, it should not cross the boundaries. Okay, control your hand, it should not move out of the line. Okay children, yes, I'm almost done. Yes, so this is how you have to draw a square and you have to color it. And this will be your homework part. So what you have to do here, you should identify square shape clocks. Okay, here you can see so many clocks. In that you have to circle only square shapes. Okay, so try to identify and circle it. Children, now take your general awareness book, book number 4. General awareness book, book number 4. Open page number 9. Page number 9. You will revise parts of the body. Okay, children? Please identify the parts of the body and you should be able to read the word also. So, practice reading all these words. Okay, parts of the body. Revise. Okay. This is revision. Okay, children, please follow the schedule how I am telling to read and write. Please follow it. Okay, this is revision part going on. So kindly practice body parts reading and writing also. Now turn to the next page. Okay, number 10. Now here in page number 10, you should also learn parts of the face. Okay. So kindly go through this page 9 and 10. You will revise parts of the body. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now see. Eye, ear, nose, mouth, head, hand, leg. Okay? So practice writing these body parts. First revise or do the oral practice in the textbook, okay, and then you have to practice writing all these body parts. Children, take your practice book, Hindi practice book, and see you have to draw pictures. Okay, these 4 pictures I am showing you, please draw them. If not this much big, little small also it's okay. So what you have to do here is you have to match letter to picture. Okay, matching letter to picture. Now this is ah. Okay, only one I will do for you. Rest of the things you have to do. Okay, now say aloo. Okay, so like this you have to identify the letter and match to the picture. Now one more also I will show you. E. Okay, E. E. Say imli. Like this. So when you can do this? First you should be perfect with all the pictures. Okay. Now for A, there are 4 pictures in the textbook. Okay. For E, letter E, there are 4 pictures, and for letter A, there are 4 pictures. So that is the reason I am telling you to do picture reading also. You have to identify the picture also. Okay, and you should be able to tell with which letter it will start. Okay, children. So like this. See, I drew anar. Okay, eek, aloo, imli. So please you also draw and match to the letters. Now today's sentences which you have to read. Come on, repeat after me. A cap on my lap. I see a map. I see a tap. Okay, children? So, you have to practice reading these 3 sentences. Okay? And you have to check you're using only sight words. Okay? You're using sight words, and these are your words which you have learnt. Okay? 3 letter words which you already learnt. So this is how you have to frame the sentences using your sight words. Okay children, so kindly practice reading. Okay children, bye, take care.